one of the parts in the ecosystem is the AREC dApp. This is the part where you can issue your AREC, and it will first take you to the overview of your whole profile because you're connected to the wallet. But the important part is go to Quick Start. You will wait a little moment for the panel to load because it's in backend, it's calculating your miner and your energy generation from all your miners. Here it pops up. This is step 1 of 6 to mint your art or to get your art. The first part of conversion is to approve AREC and the fees for the transaction to convert KWH into the ART. Here, you could also slide to many days if you have many days open in issuance. I currently have only 1 day available, so I click Approve AREC. I sign the transaction that pops up. It again shows me how much AREC I am approving, and I confirm it. It's waiting for the CID from AREC. This takes a small moment. You can of course also here see my total miners and everything related to the account, and again it's repeating the amount to mint, the transaction fees that will be paid in the process. Now step 2 is completed. Step 3 is minting the AREC NFT. You can see your date and the values of KWH and AREC, and I will now mint the AREC NFT. This is a process like in the AREC protocol to convert your KWH into an NFT that is like badge for the energy your miners created. I can review everything, and after I reviewed everything, press confirm. Again, I wait a moment for the step 3 to complete. Now we are at step 4. It's waiting for the confirmation. This one goes automatically. On backend, it's verified that everything went fine, and this is attributed to the correct point in the blockchain. We just have to wait a little bit for this step to complete, and here it completed. Now we are at the next point to liquidize this AREC NFT to get actually art from it. So we see which NFT that we just created will be liquidized and will then be converted into ART. I confirm this, and again a MetaMask transaction to sign. I'm sending the NFT and I will receive the ART for it, so I can review everything, but I usually don't need to. I can just confirm, and it's completed. Step 6 out of 6 is completed. Now I could decide if I just complete the process and end it here, or I go to GreenBTC with my art. But if I press now complete, because I have no more days to issue, this step will just load again and say I have no more art to issue. If I had more days to issue, this would start from the beginning again.